Welcome to my channel, Detailed Math Solutions. In this video, I'm going to multiply each pair of binomials with decimals displayed on the screen. To solve these exercises, I'm going to use the special product formula for sum and difference of the same terms. A plus b in parentheses multiplied by a minus b in parentheses equals to a squared minus b squared. This formula can also be written as a minus b in parentheses multiplied by a plus b in parentheses equals to a squared minus b squared. To solve these exercises, I'm going to use the formula written in both ways. Multiply 0.1x plus 1 in parentheses and 0.1x minus 1 in parentheses. When I use the formula, this equals to the first term 0.1x in parentheses squared minus the second term 1 squared, which equals to 0.01x squared minus 1. Next exercise, multiply 2 minus 0.3x and 2 plus 0.3x parentheses is equals to the first term squared minus the second term 0.3x in parentheses squared, which equals to 4 minus 0.09x squared. Next exercise, multiply 0.4y plus 5 and 0.4y minus 5. When I apply the formula, this equals to the first term 0.4y squared minus the second term 5 squared, which equals to 0.16y squared minus 25. Next exercise, multiply 6 minus 1.1y in parentheses and 6 plus 1.1y in parentheses. When I apply the formula, this equals to 6 squared minus 1.1y in parentheses squared, which equals to 36 minus 1.21y squared. Next, I'm going to multiply the remaining 4 binomial pairs and apply the special product formula for sum and difference of the same terms. Multiply 0.2x plus 0.3y in parentheses and 0.2x minus 0.3y in parentheses. Again, when I use the formula, this equals to the first term 0.2x in parentheses squared minus the second term 0.3y in parentheses squared, which equals to 0.04x squared minus 0.09y squared. Next exercise, multiply 0.5a minus 0.7b in parentheses and 0.5a plus 0.7b in parentheses. Again, when I use the formula, this equals to the first term 0.5a in parentheses squared minus 0.7b in parentheses squared, which equals to 0.25a squared minus 0.49b squared. Next exercise, multiply 0.8x plus 1.2a in parentheses and 0.8x minus 1.2a in parentheses. When I use the formula, this equals to 0.8x in parentheses parentheses squared minus 1.2a in parentheses squared. This equals to 0.64x squared minus 1.44a squared. Lastly, I need to multiply 1.3b minus 0.9y in parentheses and 1.3b plus 0.9y in parentheses. When I apply the formula, this equals to 1.3b in parentheses squared minus 0.9y in parentheses squared, which equals to 1.69b squared minus 0.81y squared. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.